All right, you guys, it's day 9 for Jenny's countdown to Christmas. So let's see what's inside this tiny package. Okay, so day 9, I had trouble thinking about this one, but some of you guys are so smart, and I really think one of you is right that it is likely one of those seam rippers that you put on your finger. So let's open this up and see. That's a really good guess. There was another really good guess too, and I can't remember what it is, so I apologize. But the guesses yesterday were so good. Okay, so let's see what it is. I love these ones that it's hard to guess on. It makes it a lot of fun. Huh, it's an adjustable thimble. So I think this is one of the things you like slip on your thumb to push needles through and stuff. I think. A lot of these little notions I'm not really good at because I'm pretty simple when it, okay, maybe not, because I do have a lot of stuff. But there's just so many of these little notions, you can't possibly have them all, I don't think. I do tend to use my thumb a lot and get a lot of dents, and my thumb starts getting pretty sore from trying to push needles through. So hopefully I do give it a try when I am doing needlework by hand. So I have not tried one. If you have, let me know what you think. It should come in handy. Like I said yesterday, I love the stuff that's project-based, but of course they're going to include a bit of everything in the box, and that was clear in the description that there was going to be fabric and notions and different things like that. So, and price-wise, you're going to have to include some of the different things. So there it is. I would have never guessed this, but the shape and the way I described it was so similar to what she was saying with that ring seam ripper. So that was such a good guess. Okay, never would have guessed. So let's take a look at what number 10 looks like. I think it's probably a pattern or something because it's really flat in here. It's definitely some sort of paper, or it could be like those different, what are they called? The different paper templates that they use. That could, it's not quite thick enough because usually those are bigger sheets, but maybe a pattern, I'm thinking. I don't know. I'm gonna guess a pattern. It's very flat. So I don't know the cost of the adjustable thimble. So I'm not sure on this one. The cute little cup, thimble cup from yesterday was $14.95. So I went ahead and put down that it was $15 to make it easier. That brought the total for the box so far up to $80.50. So that's up through day 8. I couldn't even guess on what the price for the thimble is, so I don't know on that one. I'll have to look it up and see. So in the description, I will put the running list of links to similar items in the box if you are interested in them, seeing more about them, purchasing them if you don't have the box already. But this has still been fun so far. I really hope I get to more projects and things like that. But you know, everything has been fun so far. It's all stuff that I will use. So either way, I'm happy with the box, and it does seem like the value is there. We're about halfway to what the total that I paid for the box is. So I think the value is definitely there, and I'm having a lot of fun either way. So I hope you're enjoying it too, and I will see you here tomorrow. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all of you. Bye.